Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, kabaru ka i subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ Biafran Prime Minister MAZI Ekpa. O nwere ife okwu n'ilu akwụkwọ mma achọ ka unu ga-esi ya bụ ife ọ na-adọrọpụrụ anyị ifu nche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ihe ndị a niile okwu. Alright, over to you, sir.
And I was wondering, I don't know how true that video is, but it has to do with ISWAP declaring December 2024 as a date for the division of Nigeria.
It is not our business. Focus on Biafra, please. We don't have any business with ISWAP. Thank you.
All right. So, PM, my next question and concern is the recent report by the U.S. government that direct flight from Nigeria being cancelled to U.S. And my concern really is, this is a government that came into power in 2021, then choose to remove Nigeria from where they belong, and then have done everything to support the genocide and the terrorist attack in Biafra territory. I'm wondering, this recent developments coming from the US, if it has anything to do with Biafra and then with December 2nd. Secondly, again, Prime Minister, you mentioned that the aim, the final objective is to actually replicate Finland in Biafra. So in that sense, I am particularly concerned and also very optimistic and hopeful that the education system of the Finnish government or the Finnish people that I saw in a kind of live documentary, and I was so impressed and wonder why such is not replicated even in other parts of Europe. If this education system that is currently being operated in Finland is somewhat will be replicated in Biafra land. This is my question.
Finland is coming to Biafra.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. I'm so impressed with it. I'm so impressed because the education of a country, the education system of a country is actually an indication of where the country is heading to. With the education system in Finland being replicated in Biafra, we can only hope for the best. And Africa.
Finland is coming to Biafra.
Thank you so much, Premier.
Go and write this somewhere in your fridge. Put it on your fridge. Every day you wake up in the morning, you want to go and drink water, you look, Finland coming to Biafra. And let that give you
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, William. Thank you so much. And God bless you and your team as we pilot us to a new nation.
And of course, I can't wait for the convention to start so that you people will see wonder what will shock the entire world. And I hope the media team, they are ready for this, because it's going to be something that, it will shock everybody. The media team will be very prepared.
Yeah. Thank you, my PM, sir. Thank you, sir. All right, we move. Please, mouthpiece, hold on. Let's take these two hands that were up before you came in. Chris Kachi, please unmute yourself. Chris Kachi, unmute yourself.
How many questions have we taken? I said 10. How many have we taken after that?
We are taking like 4, sir.
All right, 6 more to go.
Okay. Chris Kachi, are you coming? I can't hear you. I don't know. Is he talking? No. Chris, I cannot hear you. I don't know if any other person can.
And as a matter of fact, today I think we have the highest audience today, even if it's
Yes,
an
sir.
emergency one. So we have always had like 1,600, 1,300. Today we have 1,700 steady listening. And they both those listening the secret, like Musa. I'm seeing Musa listening the secret. All of them.
Wow. All right, Chris, we couldn't hear you. Zeddy, after you, then Mouthpiece. Zeddy, unmute yourself.
Good evening, my Prime Minister.
Evening.
Asen kam kpọọ gị nye gị aha na ihe nchọrọ inye gị wụ mkpọkịtị. Prime Minister, I have only one question for you. My question goes this way. I hope when Biafra come, you will not be hiding from the press like the drug lord and his
Do I look like somebody? Do I look like somebody who have from the the press? Nah, if you don't have any question, you can just come here and say, I don't have any question, I just want to greet PM. You leave. Can't get run away from press. Do I look like somebody who run away from press?
PM, I know you are not going to run away, but I'm just trying to get the clarification because any day I don't see you online. I get malaria.
Now that I have gotten the clarification, can you go and rest?
I can't rest now. Me and you there Twitter now.
All right, so let another person who have question to ask.
Thank you. All right, Mouthpiece, please grab the mic.
Hello. Good afternoon, Minister Barawa. Good afternoon, MAZI Rafajere.
Before Mouthpiece continue, we must devise a means to knock some people's head. Like, before you know, I jog on where again never. Say yes, again never. So that he misbehave, I boy I forget but that is what we're going to adopt going forward. There we.
So yeah, my concur, honestly. Now I hope you will not be running away from the press.
Should I continue, Your Excellency?
Go ahead.
Okay. Oh my God. Your Excellency, the Prime Minister of Biafra, I greet you. You just make someone you crack someone up every time. Oh, but that is the sweetness of Biafra. So, Your Excellency, I have this question. Just I hope you're not gonna make us laugh too with this. So, yes, Your Excellency, given the magnitude of the victory of our BLA using the dreaded Ogbunigwe, and given the fact that Nigeria Army are so quiet today, does it mean then that they are getting the language you are speaking? I just want to know. Thank you.
They are hearing the language, but they cannot understand it. And as I'm talking to you now, they are crying. They are crying like babies.
I'm the one.
You have today with the bromance. You want another book, kaboom, 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 kaboom.
I think I was hearing it from afar. It was sounding like unudum, unudum.
Put a call to people in Lille and ask them, can you go say that today? You want another book, kaboom, 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 kaboom.
Oh my goodness! So Your Excellency, it seems that this our Ogbunigwe is something else, because when it is thrown at them, it not only it doesn't scatter. All it does is bury them with their armored cars and everything. Oh my goodness! I think I cannot wait for December 2nd. I tell you. Thank you so much, Your Excellency.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mouthpiece.
How many remaining?
Just two. After Helen, then there's one more person I wanted to bring in. He had just appeared. He's been angry and putting his finger. Well, it must be a Fonja. He ran away. Massa King. He ran away. Anyway, Helen, bring your question, and then after you, Harry Potter, and then we'll call it a day with the and the PM will conclude. Helen, please.
Thank you very much. Thank you, our ministers. Thank you. I appreciate you. I hope I'm not going to be the first person to be knocked tonight.
No, is there somebody close to you there?
No, do you have anybody close to you? Let us
I have
confirm first.
somebody close to me. That is why I'm asking now.
Can the person talk? So like I'm a maga where
He's afraid.
this is not the normal oppo.
He's afraid. He's afraid.
It's not the normal knocking. No, it's not the normal knocking. No, you know that is why you fold your hand like this, and when you fold your hand, the thing come like a cone. You know, like a cone.
So, Your Excellency, greetings to you, sir. We appreciate everything that you are doing for our freedom. We say we love you. We thank you, most especially from Urobo Isoko State. You are our hope, sir. You are our hope. But right now we are done, sir. Okwama has been under attack. Seriously, we don't know what is going on there.
We will respond.
Yeah,
don't worry.
because
Don't
yes,
worry.
sir.
There
Yes, sir.
is something we are working on.
Please, sir, we are
should not worry.
counting
We
on
will
you,
respond.
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. That is what I wanted to put on. Thank you. I appreciate no knocking for me tonight. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ali. Thank you.
PM.
Yes.
PM. If Biafrans were opportune to see the size of tanks that we are scattered today, I think there's supposed to be jubilation for 5 days.
Yes.
This is their leading tanks
Definitely.
that is clearing way for them, and it was scattered into pieces. People, nobody come out. I'm waiting for Nigerian army to release.
The last one had 11 of them decimated.
I'm waiting for Nigerian army to release a successful operation of Operation Udoka 7. Is it 7 or 6? I don't know where they are.
Yeah. Thank you so much, success. And then the last person tonight, and is Harry Potter. Harry Potter, please bring your question, and then I will hand over to you. Harry Potter, mute yourself.
All right. Good evening to my Prime Minister and to the Bridge Cabinet here available. First of all, my Prime Minister, I will acknowledge your swift reaction to the last post concerning that lady from Canada. The way you reacted instantly, written to the Embassy of Canada, and come to the rescue of that Biafran lady was so awesome. I appreciate you. I have been waiting for this wonderful opportunity to have the opportunity to speak one-on-one with my Prime Minister, and I appreciate you guys for bringing me up on the mic to air my views. My Prime Minister, I really thank you for the wonderful work you have been doing. When they seized MNK, they thought the Biafran dream of fire is down. But to the greatness of God and to the surprise of many, my Prime Minister, you have done more than an amazing job. If you think the people are not feeling what you are doing, I'm telling you with all my heart, 100% the world is aware of your achievement. I really appreciate you, and keep on the good work, and may the good Lord continue to empower you and to encourage you to do much more. Thank you, my Prime Minister. That is just my appreciation from you tonight. You have done wonderfully well. I really appreciate you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much. Now, let me say something that the media should use for broadcast. We were contacted by a government, one of the European countries, and from the immigration service of that country, they contacted the government of Biafra, trying to inquire about somebody seeking asylum. This person used a document issued by the IPOB criminals. But can you imagine? Upon that, the immigration service contacted the government of Biafra to know whether this person is really under threat. Trust me now. He used my name as a founder of IPOB. I cannot lie. Biafra government has its integrity. He said that I'm one of the founders of IPOB. This person may not even be supporting Biafra, but the IPOB Nigeria criminals have issued a statement. Probably has paid them, as they usually do, because their own is you must pay. They will give you a statement. So I instructed the the Foreign Affairs, and of course the European Office of the European Representative to respond to them and tell the truth. First of all, I am not a founder of IPOB. I am never part of the founder of IPOB. Two is that we have a Biafra government in exile, and the document submitted by this person does not come from Biafra government, and everything he said there was lies. So it left for this immigration service to make their decision about this person. Many of them are going to come. Any document that is not coming from Biafra government in exile, you are on your own. When the thing comes to our table, we will deny you because you are evil. You supported this evil, supported the blackmail of the Biafra government that is representing Biafra all over the world. So anytime any government contacts us, we will deny you because you are never part of us and you are never genuine in what you are doing. You cannot be using my name to seek asylum and you are at the same time attacking me on social media, calling me criminal, calling me fake. Well, you go to the immigration and use my name. And the IPOB Nigeria will give you a document, even when my name is not there, you are using my name as a founder of IPOB. Edago, Agebunagi. I believe that this person can never get his residence permit. That's what I want to drop this evening. So those people that are using our name to seek asylum and come on social media to attack me, you collect a paper from the IPOB Nigeria Limited, you are there, you come on social media to attack me on your comment section, in different comments, you go and attack someone. But why you are using my name to seek asylum? You will be denied. We have responded to the immigration. I will not mention the country because once I mention the country now, you know where you are. So they have contacted us and we have responded clearly with truth and fact. We've also provided more information in case they want to know the truth, more truth from us. Government, we must respect and maintain our integrity. We cannot lie. We are building a government that must be respected in the European Union. Our national ID card is compatible with the European issued ID card. We have the same security features with the European Union ID card. In case if you don't know, the company that is supervising the Biafra national identity card is one of the best countries in Europe. It's one of the best company that issues ID card in Europe. So we are using the same security features with the European Union. If you don't know that, you know it now. And we cannot jeopardize because of your stupidness, because of you want asylum, you come and lie that someone Ekpa is founder of IPOB. I am not a founder of IPOB. I am not part of IPOB. I joined Biafra struggle in 2019. The evidences are there. So we provided the registration of IPOB to the government of that country that requested for clarification. We answered every question and give Jara. We gave Jara providing links to everything they want. So if you are the one who have used my name to seek asylum as a father of IPOB and you come to attack me because you can never collect the letter from IPOB Nigeria Limited and at the same time you are in good time with me or you support me on social media. I know you can never support me. You attack me and use my name to seek asylum. If you go, age bunage, ego manu ge agugo, mawulu soro do bogo.
Correct. 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 Please, my Minister of Information, please, if you have something to say, I can hand over to you, and then we will go hand over to the Prime Minister. Master Sonny Ekwebuwan of Biafra land, are you still there?
I dare you.
Please hand over to the Prime Minister, please.
Ndị be anyị ekenekwanụ m unu kunu si na-esere na Igbo Media bụ ebe anyị si wetara unu ya bụ ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ya bụ ife Biafran Prime Minister kwuru n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi nke taa. Eke ife nwere ikwu gbasịta maka ya bụ ife ndị a niile okwu gasị dị iche iche dropụrụ anyị ife iche n'iru akwụkwọ na comment section na Igbo Media. Ndị be anyị asị na n'Igbo ya adị na ya dị ka echi ada agwụ ise. Thank you and God bless you.